Hello children, you have seen the video on the story The Stag at the Pool. Now you will revise few words from the story. Here we go. Our first word is stag. It means a male deer. Reflection. The image of something in a mirror or water. The stag saw his own reflection in the water. Delighted. Feeling or showing great pleasure. The stag was very happy to see his own reflection in the water. Antlers. Horns that grow on the head of a male deer. The stag had beautiful curving antlers. Disgusted. Feeling strong dislike or unhappy. The stag was unhappy when he saw his legs in the reflection. Spindly. Very long and thin. His legs were long and thin. Stately, grand. His antlers were looking very good. Brooding, thinking sadly for a long time. The stag was very sad for a long time, thinking about his legs. Swish. To move quickly through the air, making a sound. The stag heard the sound of an arrow going quickly across the pool. Scent means smell. The stag could get the smell of the hunters. Bounded away. To run with long steps. The stag ran away quickly with long steps to save himself from the hunters. Swiftly, moving with great speed. The stag ran with great speed. Hot on his trail. It means very close to him, about to catch him. The hunters were close to him, but he ran with great speed and escaped. Thicket. A large group of trees, bushes, etc. growing close together. He reached a place where there were many trees growing close together. Entangled. Got caught. The stag's antlers got caught in the branches. Drawing close means coming near. The stag could hear that the hunters were following him and were near him. At last, with great difficulty, the stag managed to free his antlers and ran away quickly and saved his life. Children, do not write this in your book. I have given this only for you to read the words and understand them. Bye children.